Hello everyone, I am Atish Sarkar and today's video is on how to draw a golden macaw. The steps are sketching, blocking 2, detailing and finishing. Block the picture with a base layer of color and let it to dry. In blocking 2, make sure to make a very thick layer of color. Use light and darker color to make the shade and contrast of the picture. By using brushes of number 0 or 00, make the line of the feathers. Use a lighter color to make it more beautiful and visible. Make the background before going to the finishing of the picture because it will help you to get a perfect contrast with the background and the main theme of your picture. I have used knife to make the branch of the tree and I am adding some flowers to attract everyone towards the picture. have done the picture. Hope you all have enjoyed it. So make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for each and every new videos. Watch other two videos, the link in the description below. For now, bye bye everyone.